If you're thinking about getting MediVPN, there are 12 important things you need to know before making that decision. You've probably seen other VPNs like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, but does MediVPN really hold up? Let's find out. The first thing to note is MediVPN's speed. While it offers decent performance, it's not as fast as some of its top competitors. Services like ExpressVPN or Surfshark offer more reliable speeds, especially when you're streaming or gaming. However, MediVPN speeds are still good enough for most users. Next thing to keep in mind is their server locations. MediVPN doesn't have as many servers as NordVPN or CyberGhost, which can impact your options for bypassing geo-restrictions. If you're looking for a VPN that has servers in more countries, you may want to consider these other options. MediVPN does have servers in key regions, but it's not as extensive as others. The third thing is pricing. MediVPN's pricing is competitive, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. However, when compared to others like Proton VPN, it's not the cheapest. If you're looking for the best value, you may want to explore other plans. The fourth thing you should know is MediVPN's security features. It offers robust encryption, which is a must-have for any VPN. But compared to more premium options like NordVPN, MediVPN lacks some advanced features, like double VPN and obfuscated servers. Still, it does the job for most users who just want standard protection. The fifth thing is its user interface. MediVPN has a simple, clean design, making it easy to navigate. However, it doesn't have the same level of polish that you'd find with something like ExpressVPN, which provides a more intuitive experience. Next, let's talk about customer support. MediVPN offers 24/7 live chat, but based on reviews, its support team could be more responsive. If you want instant help, you might prefer the customer service that some of the larger providers like NordVPN or CyberGhost offer. The seventh thing to know is that MediVPN has a no-logs policy. It claims to never store your browsing data, but compared to more established brands like ExpressVPN, its privacy policy lacks a little transparency. If privacy is your top concern, you may want to dig deeper into their terms before committing. The eighth thing is the ability to unblock content. MediVPN is good at bypassing restrictions, especially for streaming services like Netflix. That said, it doesn't work as reliably with all streaming platforms as NordVPN or Surfshark, which are the leaders in this area. The ninth thing is the device compatibility. MediVPN supports a range of devices, including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. However, it doesn't support as many platforms as some other VPNs. If you're into streaming on devices like smart TVs or gaming consoles, other options might serve you better. The 10th thing is its connection reliability. While MediVPN does a decent job of staying connected, it's not as stable as some competitors, like ExpressVPN, which is known for its consistent uptime. The 11th thing you need to know is the 30-day money-back guarantee. This gives you a risk-free trial to test the service and decide if it's for you. While other providers have similar guarantees, this is a solid feature if you're on the fence. Finally, the 12th thing to note is that MediVPN is a solid option overall, but doesn't shine in any specific area. It's a decent middle ground if you want a simple, affordable VPN, but if you want something more comprehensive, you may find other VPNs more appealing. While MediVPN is a good option for those on a budget, if you're looking for something with more features, better speed, and stronger security, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.